Voice of Ash.
Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So lately, I got to work on a very interesting project. I was assigned a task to build a Ferris wheel for a Diwali party. Diwali, as you know, is a very prominent Hindu festival, and we had a huge party at a restaurant, and I built a Ferris wheel. So in this video, I will not bore you with a lot of details, how I did this, how I did that. I will keep it short because that you want to see the ultimate result as to what it came out. So it will be mostly a time-lapsed video, and hopefully you will have fun. And if you want more details, feel free to comment below, and I'll be more than happy to provide you with details as to how I built it. So let's get started. I am so tired.